coordinates are given. Here, if the coordinates of the any point is given, then how can we float that point in the Cartesian plane? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವೊಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಆ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ಲೋಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅನ್ನೋದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ an example that locate the points here 5 and 0. Here 5 is the x coordinate and y is the 0 is the y coordinate, and similarly we have the another point 0 5. Here 0 is the x coordinate and y is the 0 is the x coordinate and 5 is the y coordinate, and another point is the 2 and 5. Here 2 is the x coordinate and 5 is the y coordinate. Similarly 5 2 minus 3 5 minus 3 minus 5 5 minus 3 and 6 comma 1. Here 6 is the x coordinate and y is the 1 is the y coordinate. And locate these points in the Cartesian plane. And here to solve this, to locate these points in the Cartesian plane, then first we have to draw the Cartesian plane. And here to draw the Cartesian plane, we are taking the 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit length. 1 centimeter na 1 unit length agi ತಗೊಂಡು ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ we have to float the x axis and the y axis. Here this is the x axis and the y axis. And after drawing the Cartesian plane, first we have to take the point. First point is the 5 and 0. X coordinate is the 5. Then where is the x coordinate? Positive 5 comes in the x axis. Here positive 5 comes in the, here this is the positive 5, and where is the 0? Now y coordinate is the 0. Y coordinate is the 0 means here it is the point, and 0 and 5. Here the point comes, this is the coordinate point 5 and 0. This is the point. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮದು ಆ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಲೆನೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. And next point is the 0 and 5. Here x coordinate is the 0 and y coordinate is the 5, and that is also positive 5 means here y axis, this is the positive direction of the y axis, and the point comes here, and the coordinates of these points are the 0 and 5. And next we go for the another point, that is the coordinates are the 2 and 5. Here 2 is the x coordinate, positive 2. Positive 2 means here 2 comes in the positive direction of the x axis. Positive direction of the x axis, and really here it is the 2, and y coordinate is the 5. Y coordinate is the positive 5, and the positive direction is the point here comes, and draw the line, and where these 2 points meet is that is the location of that point. ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ದ y axis ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ನಾವು ಲೈನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಟು ದ y axis ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿ, here this is the perpendicular to the 2 point x axis. ಇಲ್ಲಿ along with the x axis 0 5 ಅನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡೋ 0 2 ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, and this is the point of 2 and 5. And next we go for the another point, that is the 5 and 2. 5 2. Here 5 is the positive coordinate of the x axis. Positive means positive point means here it comes, and 2 y coordinate is the 2, and where these 2 points meets, then we will get that is the point of the given coordinates. That is the location of the given coordinates, and this is the location of the phi and 2 coordinates. And next we go for the point that is the minus 3 and 5. Minus 3, x coordinate is the minus 3 and minus 3 means here it comes in the negative direction of the x axis. Here this is the minus 3 and y coordinate is the 5 and 5 means here it is, and now join these 2 points. And this is the point of the, this is the location of the point 3 minus 3 and 5. And next we go for the another point that is the minus 3 and the minus 5. Here x coordinate is the minus 3 and y coordinate is the minus 5. And this is the minus 3 is the point minus 3 is the location of the on the negative direction of the x axis, and minus 5 it is on the negative direction of the y axis. Here it is the minus 5, and now join these 2 points. And we will get the point, location of the points, coordinates of the numbers minus 3 and the minus 5. ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಏನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮದು ಈ ಗಿವನ್ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ಸ್ ಒಂದು ಲೊಕೇಶನ್. And next we go for the another point that is the 5 and minus 3. 5, here x coordinate is the positive 5 and here 5 comes on the positive direction of the x axis, and here it is the location of the 5. And minus 3 is the y coordinate, and the location of the minus 3 is the, here it is minus 3, and now join these 2 points with the scale. ಈ ಎರಡು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇವೆರಡು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಎರಡು ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ಸ್ 5 and minus 3. And next we go for the another point that is the 5 and minus 3 is completed, and next point is the 6 and 1. Here x coordinate is the 6. 6 means here it comes, and 1 y coordinate is the 1. And whenever these 2 points meet, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ಸ್ ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ, that is the position of the given coordinates 6 and 1. And this is how to float the points on the Cartesian plane whenever the coordinates are given. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದಂದ್ರೆ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಟೇಶಿಯನ್ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮೊದಲೇ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ಲೋಟ್ ಅದರದ್ದು ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. And I hope you all understood this problem. And okay students, here we have the another problem that plot the following ordered base xy of the numbers as the points in the Cartesian plane. Use the scale 1 cm equal to 1 unit on the axis. Here we have the coordinates in the table. In this table we have the coordinates of the x and y. ಇಲ್ಲಿ xy coordinates ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, and use the scale 1 cm equal to 1 unit and draw the Cartesian plane and locate these all coordinates of the x and y. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಮೊದಲು 1 cm equal to 1 unit ಕಾರ್ಟೇಶಿಯನ್ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಟೇಶಿಯನ್ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಲೊಕೇಟ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ x and y, xy ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಆ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಲೊಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. and here we have already draw the Cartesian plane using the 1 cm equal to 1 unit, taking the scale. And here we have the points that the coordinates of the x is the -3 and y coordinate is the 4. Here x coordinate is the -3 means minus 3 means it comes in the negative direction of the x-axis. Here it is the position of the minus 3 and y coordinate is the 4. Y coordinate is here, it is the 4, and now draw the perpendicular to each other. Perpendicular line to each other. ಇವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ perpendicular line ಅನ್ನು draw ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ we will have the point, and that is the points of the given coordinate. That is the location of the given coordinate, and the coordinates are the minus 3 and 4. And next we go for the another point, that is the 0 and 3.5. 0 is the x coordinate. Here 0 is the x coordinate, means it comes on the origin. If 0 ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ coordinate 0 ಬಂದ್ರೆ that will be in the origin ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. And y coordinate is the 3.5. Here we have the 3.5, and that will come on the positive direction of the y axis. 3.5 means here it comes in the middle of the 3 and 4. 3 and 4 middle ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, and this is the point of given coordinates 0 and 3.5. And next we go for the another point, that is the minus 1 and minus 3. Here minus 1 is the x coordinate. Minus 1 means that comes on the negative direction of the x axis. Here it is the minus 1, and y coordinate is the minus 3. Y coordinate is the minus 3 means here it comes, and now draw the perpendicular to each other. Draw the perpendicular line to each other, and the point where these two perpendicular lines meet, then that is the point of the location of the given coordinates. Minus 1 and minus 3. Minus 1 and minus 3. This is the location of the given coordinates. And next we go for the another point, that is the 4 and 4. Here x coordinate is the 4 and y coordinate is the 4. And now draw the perpendicular line to each other. And the point where these two lines meet is the position of the given coordinates. This is the location of the coordinates 4 and 4. And next we go for the another point is the 2 and minus 3. Here 2 means that is the positive, 3 means it comes on the positive direction of the x axis. This is the 2, and minus 3. Minus 3 means it comes on the negative direction of the y axis. Here it is the minus 3. And now draw the perpendicular to each other. ಈಗ perpendicular line ಅನ್ನು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. And here it is the location of the given coordinates 2 and minus 3. And this is how to locate the points of the given coordinates on the Cartesian plane. I hope you all understood about the Cartesian planes and the Cartesian coordinates, and about the whole coordinate geometry. And if you have any doubts regarding this concept chapter, then you can ask me in the later. Thank you.